Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to play tennis today. Looks like it's going to rain all day. What can I do on a rainy day? What would be rainy day fun? Maybe I should count my shells. I found all these shells myself in Marshall's. But I guess I should control what happens in the world today by using my Zen garden. I'd better use some colorful shells here today so it doesn't rain forever. Or maybe I should look into my crystal ball and see what's going to happen today. As some of you know, all I can see in there is everything that John Connors does and everything that Jack Carey does, so it's pretty boring. Or maybe I should inspect this bird feather that my cat was good enough to bring me. The feather is red. Let me check my chart here and see which type of bird has a red feather. Or maybe I should use the cat as target practice for getting the bird. Or maybe I should practice with my BB pistols. The cops told me not to shoot them anymore, but it's raining, so they won't come out in the rain, I don't think. Maybe I should practice with my throwing knives. Steve Resnick gave me these. You have to watch, though. They bounce right back off the tree and can stick right in you. Maybe it would be safer to try to fix my helicopter. This helicopter flew pretty good for a while, but it had a crash landing, and now it needs a little work. Or maybe it would be a good day for a light show. Everybody likes a nice pentagram on their door. I'm not sure what this is. This kind of just showed up one day on my back porch. Big oil companies are blocking me from using magnetism for energy. I have to always be listening that they're not coming to get me.
You talking to me? Then who the hell else are you talking to? Talking to me? Well, I'm the only one here. Who the fuck do you think you're talking to? Oh, yeah? Huh? Okay. Huh?
Don't know why there's no sun up in the sky. Stormy weather